Are you dealing with issues of iron, manganese, or sulfur in your water? These contaminants can cause water discoloration, unpleasant odors, and even affect the taste. Luckily, there are proven methods to tackle this problem and ensure your water is clean and safe for use. Understanding the importance of clean water in your daily life is crucial. Let's explore effective ways to eliminate iron, manganese, and sulfur from your water. Iron, manganese, and sulfur often lead to water quality issues, including rust-colored stains, a rotten egg smell, or a metallic taste in your water. The first solution is a non-chemical-based oxidation method using air optimization performance, also known as AIO, combined with a special media called Catalox. The outline of this method includes the process of oxidizing the contaminants and use of specialized media for filtering. The automatic cleaning process through a programmed control valve to help keep the media clean and loose so it can continue to filter your water at peak performance. Option 2. Chemical-based oxidation. This method used a chemical such as chlorine or potassium permanganate to oxidize the contaminants in the water. It then runs through a special media to remove the contaminants from the water, then automatically clean through a programmed control valve to clean the media, recharge it with chemicals to keep the media at peak performance. Conclusion: each method has its benefits and considerations. To choose the right solution for your situation, consider consulting a water treatment professional at softprowatersystems.com. SoftPro Water Systems helps you ensure the purity of your water. Remember that purity of water is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Contact SoftPro Water Systems at 855-683-8488 to speak to a highly trained water treatment specialist.